Okay, hello, teacher. Please let me introduce my homework 3.1 to you. It's about pneumatic. Okay, so you can see the content of this research. The first one is project overview. The second one is component and single flow. The third one is software connection explanation. The fourth is circuit design. Okay, you can see the object overview. The research topic is the sequential control of the pneumatic system realized three double-acting cylinders, A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus, and C plus, C minus. You can see the research content. The first part is master the basic design methods of the pneumatic uh, circuits and understand the principle of sequential action control. The second part is proficient in using components such as double acting cylinders, directional control values, and travel values. The third part is achieve precise control of sequential actions of multiple cylinders. A to A plus to A minus to B plus to B minus to C plus and to C minus. The four part is cultivate the ability to troubleshoot faults and optimize systems. Okay, so in this design, we need a lot of component. You can see we have three double acting cylinders and six one-way flow control value and three five star n-way value, and you can see the circuit. We need 24 volt and 0 volt, and we need a compressed air supply. We need a push button named star, and we need 17 make switch and break switches, and two relay named K1 and K2, and six value solid. You can see it's in the five-way value named Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, and Y6. Okay, so let me introduce the single flow to you. So the first, it will when we push the star push button, and it will from A0 to A1 go forward to A1, and it's A plus. Then when we achieve the A1, it will come backward to the A0, A minus. So if when we attach the A0, the B cylinder will work from B plus, from B0 to B1, and from B1 to B0, it will be B plus, B minus. And when we attach the B0 single, the C cylinder will work from C0 to C1 and to C1 to C0, and C plus, C minus. Okay, so we can see the software connection explanation. Okay, so the first step, you can see its initial state. All cylinders are in the retracted state, B minus, A minus, B minus, C minus. After the system start up, the air source is charged by a mineral value. You can see the circuit. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so in the first step, you can see the three cylinder. It's in the retract state, A minus, B minus, and C minus. Um, if I touch the star switch, you can see the. Okay, sorry. Okay, you can see the um, step 2 is if the cylinder A reached the A1, it would be um, pressed the start button. The pneumatics single drives the 5/2 value of the cylinder A to the left position, causing cylinder A to extend. Once A is fully extended, and it targets the travel value A1. So when it's fully extended, okay, we can see. Okay, so the target the travel value A1. So the step 3 A minus, the A1 single switch valued A to the right position, so the array cylinder A retracts, and after A retracts, the travel value holder 7 is target. So we can see when we reached the A1 A0 A1 single, and the Y2 it will be work. So let's continue. Okay, you can see when the A0 single is useful, so it would be this one. You can see because the A0 switch is on, so it will be Y3. Y3 will work. Okay, so the A0 single serves as a starting condition for cylinder B. After the A0 single, the left position of value B to B plus. When B is fully extended, B1 is targeted. You can see if this one is fully extended, so the circuit will this one, because the K1 the B1 switch is off, so the K1 switch is open, so it will just like this. So Y4 is work. Okay, so the B minus single B1 switch value B to the right position. After B retracted, the targets B0. So let's begin the C cylinder, cylinder C. The single used as a starting condition for cylinder C, and C1 is targeted when the cylinder C is full extended. Okay, then you can see the K2 is a relay, but the C1, when the C1 is touched, the C1 switch is off. So in circuit just like this. So Y6 will be work. Push the C cylinder C backward. Okay, let's see it again. Let's watch it again. Okay, so let me tell you the circuit design. The first, place the pneumatic circuit, drag out 3 cylinders from the warehouse and configure the corresponding single electronic controlled 5/2 value Y1, Y2, Y3 for them. Place mechanic sensors A plus A, B plus B, and C plus C at the extended and retracted end of each cylinder. The step 2 is draw the electronic circuit. Draw the live wire 24 volt on the upper side and the natural wire 0 volt ground. So on the lower side, from left to the right, draw the branch circuit one by one. Each branch circuit represents the control logic of a coil. Currently, connection the button, sensor contacts, and relay contacts. So the third part is connect the gas pace to the circuit. In the software connection, the electronic single output terminal of the mechanic sensor to the corresponding content used the circuit diagram. Connect the output terminal Y1, Y2, Y3 of the solenoid value coil in the circuit diagram to the electronic net of the corresponding 5/2 value in the pneumatic diagram. The final simulation run, press the start button and observe whether the cylinder operates in the sequence of A plus to A minus to B plus to B minus and to C plus C minus. Okay, that's all for this work. Please review it. Thank you.